Correct installation of EXOPERM MONO 150 on the external structure of the building will not only protect the building from water infiltration to both the roof and the wall, but will also increase the building's durability and thermal efficiency over its lifetime. Before we start, let's have a look at the building components required, all of which are part of the EXOPERM MONO 150 product system. EXOPERM MONO 150 is a high-performance monolithic breathable membrane for the external building envelope. CONEXO MULTISEAL, a multi-purpose air and wind-tight tape. CONLEX, a flexible tape with high tack. Helping Hand, professional tape pressure applicator. Firstly, measure the solid timber structure to mark the upper area where you plan to install the first layer of EXOPERM MONO 150. Measure and cut the membrane to the required length for the roof using a sharp knife. Consider an extra contingency length of 10 cm when cutting your required length. This allows easy and airtight adhesion to the connecting structure. Apply the membrane over the rafters by following the measurements and secure the EXOPERM MONO 150 with the stapler in the overlap area. First the upper edge, then the middle stud, finishing with the bottom edges. Following the same steps, install the second membrane on the top. Seal the EXOPERM MONO 150 using CONEXO MULTISEAL. This saves you valuable time on installation. The most common way to apply the tape is by hand. Prior to sealing the membrane, please ensure that the surface is clean and free from dust and grease. Align the tape centrally along the overlap area and seal the membranes by removing the backing strip. CONEXO MULTISEAL is a high-performance, solvent-free, air and wind-tight tape with an acrylic adhesive. This provides strong adhesion and withstands damp climates. The membrane is now permanently and safely sealed using CONEXO MULTISEAL. For complete durability, the battens are installed using the nail seal tape. This adhesive tape could be applied on the back of the counter battens in equal width, or directly onto the structure over the membrane. Finally, fix the battens by screwing the counter battens to the rafters. EXOPERM MONO 150 wind-tight membrane can also be installed on the external timber wall using the same technical practices. The membranes can be sealed using CONEXO MULTISEAL acrylic adhesive tape. Before finishing, any penetrations through the building envelope require careful, detailed sealing. Measure around the circular shape and cut a piece of CONLEX tape. Remove half of the backing strip and secure half of the tape to the circular penetration by pressing firmly. Remove the other half of the backing strip and fix CONLEX on the membrane. The airtight connections are now secured and the tape is fixed using the pressing roller based on cellular rubber. Selecting the right product system with the necessary performance properties for your building will invariably provide long-term benefits. Benefits of installing EXOPERM MONO 150 product system. The superior air and wind tightness properties are of significant importance for the functionality of the building. This extremely durable product system ensures longevity on the building. EXOPERM MONO 150 integrates monolithic technology, resulting in a highly breathable, continuous and vapor-open membrane that guarantees a complete barrier against the passage of water, helps to avoid structural damage, reduces energy consumption, saves energy costs. Suitable for all installation types. Partel 10-year system warranty offers security and protection. For further information about EXOPERM MONO, or if you've any questions, visit our websites. Check out the other installation videos to learn more.